Good morning and welcome to Going to Work with Gena, which is an Inspiremercial for STEM students. I am Dr. Gena Henderson. STEM students, this morning, it's such a nice spring morning coming into work. Knowing that it's been a little cool and a little rainy the last few days, so this is a very nice spring morning. But what I want to talk about this morning is the reason that I motivate you is because that I wasn't motivated. I wasn't motivated to do STEM. I wasn't motivated to go to college. It was just some of the things and interests that I have because I saw my peers suggesting and doing things with their lives, and I felt that I was just as smart as them. So that's why I'm always trying to gear you into STEM. And the reason that I'm focusing on programming and focusing on why I feel like you should know a little bit about programming is because I think all the technological jobs of the future are going to have a lot to do with programming. And so I want you to get in on the front end and try to understand some simple things that's going to make your life a little easier as you mature and become adults and you become a part of our future. So with that being said, I have chosen the programming language of Python. And the reason that I've chosen Python is because it's highly interactive, integrated environment, which is going to show you some things. It has like more of a scripting feature to it than anything, and it's very, very friendly and to use. So it's easy to use, and so I'm always asking you to do things. So I believe at this particular point, what we're going to do is download, or should I say install, Python 3.7. So I think that's the revision of Python that we're going to be using to do the things that we actually need to do. Okay, so I'm going to include the link, or in this, well, maybe in tomorrow's lesson, I'll include the link of where you can go. And some of those lessons are going to be straight at the computer too. So I'll basically be doing those lessons as we speak. You'll see me typing in on my computer and making sure that I could do those things for you, okay? So I want to thank you for going to work with Gena this morning. If there are any infomercials that you have missed, please don't hesitate to go to YouTube, Going to Work with Gena. Thank you.